mountains proud and high to the oceans deep and wide, every color, every voice walks together side by side. Golden fields and ancient tales, echoes of a timeless flame. India, my motherland, I rise to call your name. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, where unity flows like sacred streams. From every heart, from every hand, we stand as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free, your light will always shine in me. Voices of our heroes call from history's glowing pages, courage carved in sacrifice, freedom built by sages. From Dandi salt to tricolors rise, our spirit touch the skies. Stronger now we walk as one, under the same bright sun. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, where unity flows like sacred streams. From every heart, from every hand, we stand as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free, your light will always shine in me. Different languages, one heartbeat, different paths, but one destiny. In every soul, your rhythm beats. India, you live in me. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, together strong, or so it seems. Holding hope in every hand, we rise as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free, your spirit is my legacy. From the mountains proud and high to the oceans deep and wide, every color, every voice walks together side by side. Golden fields and ancient tales, echoes of a timeless flame. India, my motherland, I rise to call your name. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, where unity flows like sacred streams. From every heart, from every hand, we stand stand as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free. Your light will always shine in me. Voices of our heroes call from history's glowing pages, courage carved in sacrifice, freedom built by sages. From Dandi salt to tricolors rise, our spirit touch the skies. Stronger now we walk as one, under the same bright sun. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, where unity flows like sacred streams. From every heart, from every hand, we stand as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free. Your light will always shine in me. Different languages, one heartbeat, different paths, but one destiny. In every soul, your rhythm beats. India, you live in me. Oh India, land of a billion dreams, together strong, or so it seems. Holding hope in every hand, we rise as one for our motherland. Oh India, my pride, forever free. Your spirit is my legacy.